30 plants that will feed you year after year. When thinking about any SHTF or survival scenario, we all know that food and water will be our main concerns in being able to survive. And we all know we need to stockpile non-GMO heirloom seeds. But did you know that stockpiling certain plant seeds can actually make life easier for you and provide you with fresh food over and over with a lot less work? So we're going to talk about a topic that's every prepper or gardener's dream. Plants that keep on giving year after year with minimal effort. Imagine having a garden that just keeps supplying you with fresh produce without needing constant attention. It is like winning the jackpot for preppers. These perennial crops are the real must-haves of the gardening world because the less energy you have to use to get food, the better off you will be. By growing these plants, you are taking a huge step towards more self-reliance. Being able to stock up on these amazing, easy-to-grow plants will mean a lot less worry about food shortages as well. Now, some of the plants I'm going to cover are hybrids that you can get non-GMO seeds for. But keep in mind, these are perennials, so you'll have long-term food production without the need for the yearly replanting. And of course, growing these food plants yourself will mean keeping that budget in check and taking another step towards more frugal living. So let's talk about 30 of the best fruits, veggies, and more that you can plant once and harvest from for years to come, keeping your prepper pantry full and your belly happy. Almonds. These nut trees not only look pretty with their pinkish white flowers in the spring, but they also attract bees for pollinating other plants. They love basking in full sun and well-drained soil. Apple trees. Beautiful and delicious, apple trees can grace your landscape for decades, producing fruit every year in colder climates. Apricots. Perfect for baking or snacking, apricots can handle harsh winters with some deep watering and annual pruning. Asparagus. A veggie with a long history, asparagus plants can keep producing for up to 25 years with the right care in zones 2 to 8. Avocado. If you are in a warm climate, avocado trees can reach impressive heights and yield tasty fruit with consistent watering and sunlight. Berries. Raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries are garden favorites, thriving in zones 4 to 11 with slightly acidic soil. Ceylon spinach. A leafy green that loves tropical and subtropical climates, perfect for containers or garden beds with partial shade. Cherries. Like apple trees, cherry trees are not only beautiful, but also produce delicious fruit, especially in cooler climates. Chestnuts. These fruit trees are sun lovers, drought tolerant, and can grow tall, providing shades and nuts for years. Chinese leeks. These easy-to-grow perennials that add lovely greens to your dishes, flourishing in the sun and well-drained soil. Chives. These flavorful herbs are a breeze to grow, needing little maintenance in full sun or partial shade. Currants. Delicious and nutritious, currants come in various colors and can be enjoyed raw, cooked, or in jams. Figs. Sweet and juicy, fig trees thrive in warm climates, soaking up plenty of sun and well-drained soil. Ginger. Not just for cooking, ginger plants add a tropical flair to your garden, preferring warm, humid conditions. Grapes. Perfect for wine enthusiasts. Grapevines are easy to grow and thrive in zones 5 to 8 with good drainage. Hazelnuts. These nut trees produce lovely yellow flowers and can reach impressive heights with full sun and well-draining soil. Horseradish. A low-maintenance perennial, horseradish prefers full sun and rewards you with spicy roots after a couple of years. Japanese bunching onions. Sprouting in the spring, these onions grow clusters of tasty stems, thriving in sunny spots. Jerusalem artichokes. Often overlooked, these root veggies are hardy in zones 3 to 9, needing well-drained, fertilized soil. Kiwi. Exotic and delicious, kiwi vines require support and regular watering in sunny to partially shaded areas. 9-star broccoli. Unlike its annual counterparts, 9-star broccoli is a perennial gem, offering florets in both spring and fall. Olives. These ancient trees thrive in warm climates with minimal maintenance, perfect for landscapes with little rainfall. Peaches. With their stunning blooms and juicy fruit, peach trees love full sun and well-drained soil for optimal growth. Pears. Another beauty of the fruit world, pear trees dazzle with blossoms in spring and deliver delicious fruit come fall. Pecans. Stunning in spring with their yellow-green flowers, pecan trees require regular fertilization for healthy nut production. Walnuts. For a unique touch to your landscape, consider planting a walnut tree, thriving in full sun and well-drained soil. Watercress. A delicious and perennial plant, watercress thrives with regular watering and can be harvested year-round. Yams. Hardy and nutritious, yams are ideal for beginner gardeners, preferring sunny locations and well-drained soil. Rhubarb. Tart and crunchy, rhubarb is a breeze to grow, thriving in cool weather and partial shade. Shallots. Versatile and flavorful, shallots are a gardener's delight, thriving in full sun with well-drained soil. Sweet potatoes. Sprawling and delicious, sweet potatoes prefer well-drained soil and regular watering for a bountiful harvest. Tree cabbage. A unique addition to any garden, tree cabbages thrive in mild to warm climates with minimal fuss. Planting these perennials is like investing in your future pantry. With minimal effort, you'll enjoy a constant supply of fresh fruit, veggies, and more for years to come. As always, I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so please drop those in the comments. And check out this video that YouTube has chosen for you to watch next based on your viewing history.